how to sign up on PrizePicks. If you want to sign up or create an account on PrizePicks, it is actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, you must launch your browser. Once you launch your browser, you can go to prizepicks.com and this is the interface you will see. At the top right hand side, if you do not have an account, you have to just click the sign up button. Then once you click the sign up option, this is the type of interface you will see. It will ask you to enter the email address that you would like to simply use for your PrizePicks account. So make sure that you also have access to this email. If you have got a promo code, you can simply enter the promo code and then just go ahead and then hit the continue button. On the next page, it will ask you for a couple of information such as your first name and last name. So go ahead and then click on continue again. Make sure to enter your date of birth, but you must make sure that you are over 18 years of age in this case, and then only you will be able to sign up on PrizePicks. So go ahead and enter your date of birth and then hit the continue button. Then after that, simply make sure to choose your address right over here. Then once you've made sure to do that, what you want to do is just hit the continue button again. After you've done all of this and verified your phone number, email, and location, your PrizePicks account will be successfully created. That's all it takes for you to sign up on PrizePicks. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.